In this video, how to remove the yellow triangle on your C drive in Windows. You see this because device encryption is turned on. If you're using Windows Pro or a higher version, you might see BitLocker waiting for activation in BitLocker settings. To fix this, turn off device encryption. Right-click the Windows Start button and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Select Device Encryption. Turn the switch off. This might take some time, but you can still use your computer. As you can see, the yellow icon disappeared after device encryption was turned off. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.